Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can create album in Messenger group. So first up, open your Messenger app and then go to your group that you want to open. And then from here, as you can see, just need to tap on the media icon right here at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen to open up all your images. So here, once you tap on that, you just need to select the image that you want to add from here. So basically, you can select multiple images so you can create an album. For example, here, and then tap on the Add to button. And then you can just name this album here. For example, I'm going to change into animals. And then tap on Create Album. And there you have it. If you're going to tap on the album here, you can manage this one. As you can see, you will find all the images from this album. Now you can also add another album here or add another image to this album. Now you can also customize this if you're going to tap on the group name at the top and select or scroll down and select view media files and links. And as you can see your current album here, you can update and you can customize if you're going to tap on the three dots at the top right, you have some of the selections like select items, edit name, and delete album. You can basically edit your name or edit the album name. You can select the item if you want to save or remove. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.